How to make poll on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on how to make a poll on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and further tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update my app. Now, launch the Snapchat application and make sure you are signed in. Take a snap now that you want to add a poll in. Once you have the snap ready, you will see a bunch of options on the top right of your screen. Tap on the sticker icon in here. You will then see a bunch of options again. Go ahead and navigate to the poll option and tap on that. You will now be able to make changes to your poll, so go ahead and firstly add a question to your poll and then tap on the emoji if you want to change the emoji and select from the emoji keyboard that appears. So this is how you can make poll on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.